We are in metro right now, in Uban. And they have the same rails like in Paris for rubber wheels. Even the ceiling, anti-vandal, everything is closed in metal, all valves and everything else. You see all tunnels are with graffiti, like people live here. We found a piece of nature in Marseille. That's the garden. Jordan. Все? Потерялся. Нелегальный. Oh, we see some trees. Wow. They're of course, completely in asphalt. But well, it's a little bit more than the place where we live. That's the shopping mall, which is called Prado. Prado, yeah, there. Galleria, yeah, Prado. Or Prado, but Prada, but Prado. Let's go inside. It's like the street opening and a few buildings connected with the roof and bridges. So again, the security stopped us and said, no dogs inside. Even in this mall, there is a small sign which says, no dogs inside. Really? Really? I would say, oh, really? What is... Oh, okay. We spent half a day coming here. I have two shirts from this one, from Isaac. IKEA planning center. In the same place. Okay. There should be a velodrome on top. Что еще раз?
Жили бы мы вот в таком чистеньком доме, познали бы мы гетто?
Нет, мы бы гетто не познали, если бы жили здесь. Мы бы, наверное, туда и даже если были какие-то достопримечательности, один раз сходив ногой и не стали бы даже до них добираться.
Да. Чтобы развернули.
Да. Apparently you can see mountains from here. Now I want to go somewhere. Saucer. Okay, and from this side also you cannot go. It's a football field. And cars. Nice. Perfect. А вот это стеклянное не какой-нибудь еще торговый центр? Unbelievable, but we found a way. Found a way how to get around the grass. Each grease piece on the map is with fence around and used for something. No green grass at all in the city. Ну, наверняка мы можем пойти дальше, но... К морю.
А здесь канал. Вот с обратной стороны там приятнее.
С обратной стороны...
С другой стороны это.
О, там какая-то травка тоже.
Ну, вот,
это, видимо, пересохшая река или что это? Или копали дорогу, может, туннель и не докопали. Okay, so it was a river actually. Okay. On the map, this... Oh my god. On the map, this is a river. Somehow it's dried. Imagine this apartments are selling with a picture during the summer with the grass around saying like, hey, the beach front, a view on the river, on the water, and and this is the reality. Yeah.
Там живет.
Yeah, look, someone is living there. Yeah. Amazing. Just amazing. Not in a good not in a good way, but amazing. Yeah, we don't have any other way. It really looks like a dried river because of trees and walls around, left and right, river banks. But it's actually pretty clean compared to other places. Maybe they stopped the water explicitly to clean it. Well, no, of course not. On one side they're building something. On the other side. From this side, you can see someone is leaving, just leaving. Look what Nadezhda Bayanovna saw. A building, already existing one. You see, you can see balconies, lights. Look at the stairs. We saw like maybe it's a fire stairs when someone can run away, but then we noticed it's just a stairs. No, I mean, no. How you call it? No fences, no walls, nothing. You don't even know what's better, to stay in the fire or run out in the street when you don't have any protection. Just just like that, running down. Oh my god. Oh, that's dangerous and crazy. Rubber wheels, as I said. Oh, by the way, yeah, my setup: laptop and monitor. Additional one. And some meat. But that's not my work setup. Interesting detail on electric plugs. You see this hole? Sometimes you see it also in other plugs. But did you ever notice how to use it? No. Here in France, you have this one. So you can plug only one way. So this way will not work. You have to move the hole and plug this way. Punch.